Hello guys, welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy. My name is Sarika and today's topic is the 5 most trending job opportunities in UK. One of my reasons to cover this topic is because a lot of my viewers had been asking about UK job opportunities via Instagram, YouTube or even Facebook. So I have divided today's agenda in the following order. Number 1, the 5 most trending job opportunities in UK, and number 2, in the end of the video I'll share some important tips which you can implement or use in your career. So make sure you watch the video till the end and not skip any part, as I have covered almost all the current trending job opportunities. So let's get started without any further delay. So the top skills which I have discussed today is listed in the shortage of occupational list, which means UK doesn't have enough people to fill all these roles, which are specialized roles, and hence it's called shortage of occupational list. So the hiring companies are willing to sponsor visa if you have the right skill set advertised in the job and fulfill their criteria, and it means you can apply for these jobs from any country. And to make this video, I did enough research on the trending jobs in UK. I've added the link of UK government website and companies list who can sponsor visa. Also, if you want to see full list of shortage jobs in UK, links will be provided in the description. So the number 1 is programmers and software development professionals, who are also known as web design and development professionals. There was always demand for technical people in UK and other overseas countries, and there will always be in the future as well. So if you're a developer, you have high chances to get UK visa sponsorship either through the multinational companies or directly applying on the companies in UK. So if you want to know how you can start your career in IT, please watch one of my previous videos, how to start your career in IT. The average base salary for programmer in UK is 38k per year. And now let's discuss 2 ways to get jobs in UK. So the first option is work with any multinational companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, HCL, Cognizant, and the list goes on and on. Work on projects where you have UK clients. Find out which skill is in demand. Spend time to learn it and get certified in that area, and after some experience, your company itself will put your name forward to transfer you from India to UK. The second option is simply to find jobs, Google visa sponsorship jobs in UK, say for Java developer or any language you use like Python or C++. Once you find the name of the company which had advertised for vacant job, you must validate the name from the UK government site, which is government.uk, and all the links will be provided to check if the company is genuine or not. If you can find the name of the company in the government.co UK site, you can simply apply for the job, and if your application is selected, you will be picked for interview. Now, the number 2 is cyber security specialist. So let's understand who are they. They are someone who are responsible to protect systems from cyber security risks and threats. They work on IT teams that are dedicated to protecting the integrity of the business network and data. Now, 2 of the most highly regarded certifications for cybersecurity leaders and practitioners are CISM, which stands for Certified Information Security Manager, and CISSP, which stands for Certified Information Systems Security Professional. And it's a perfect time to be a CISM or CISP certified or have any cybersecurity certification. According to Gartner, the unemployment rate for cybersecurity professional is 0. In fact, there are more jobs than qualified candidates, and the job postings stay open for a very long time. Now, how to apply jobs? You need to follow the same steps mentioned for job 1, which was for programmer or developer. Now, the number 3, other engineering jobs like civil engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical, electronics design and development engineers, production and process engineers. To find jobs, please follow the same steps as mentioned for job 1 and 2. Either work with big companies like L&T and try to move to UK through your company, or simply Google civil engineering jobs in UK with visa sponsorship and validate the name of the company in the government.uk site. Number 4. Medical practitioners like doctors and nurses. If you're working in medical field, you have high chances of getting visa as there's a huge shortage of medical staff. So today I'm covering nursing and doctor jobs as an example. For nursing, graduation is must. BSc in nursing takes 4 years program. Interviews can be scheduled through any of your local agency. In terms of visa sponsorship, so once you pass the interview and you are selected, NHS will apply for your certified sponsorship, which is called COS, on their own cost, and they will share it with you. Visa will be issued initially for 2 to 3 years, and after that you can extend it. After 5 years, you can apply for indefinite leave to remain, which is called ILR. But there are 3 exams to pass before you move to UK. Number 1 is IELTS, and the score should be 7 in all the bands. Only exception is in writing, where you need to score 6. The second is Occupational English Test, which is called OET. Number 3 is Contact Nursing and Midwifery Council for registration. And after registration, you need to appear for CPT, which is a computer-based test. After you arrive in UK, you need to take Objective Structured Clinical Examination, which is called OSCE, and you'll be given 3 attempts to pass the exam. If you fail, you will be sent back to your own home country. Now for doctors, the step 1 is demonstrate your English by taking exam like IELTS or OET, which is Occupational English Test, and the number 2 is take the PLAB test, which is Professional Linguistic Assessments Board. The PLAB test is in 2 parts. Part 1 is written multiple choice exam with 180 single best answer options, and the part 2 is practical objective structural clinical exam known as OSCE. If you want me to cover this in detail, please comment in the section below and I'll try to make a detailed video in the future. Number 5 and the last job on my list is research scholars. So who are they? Research scholars simply means scholars who are working in research in specific field and getting stipend. It does not necessarily mean that they should be registered in PhD. If an MTech student who is working in a research project as part of the curriculum, then he will not be a research scholar. However, if he completes his MTech and joins a lab in any university full-time, then he'll be known as a research scholar. They may even categorize as scientists in some reputed university. Now, how to apply for jobs in UK university? Follow the same steps mentioned for job 1, which is for programmer or developer. So now it's time for some bonus point. So for freshers, if you are fresh from college and wants to start your career in IT, I will suggest learn coding and pick language as per your interest. Some of the top programming languages you should learn based on your desired jobs. If you want to be a web developer, then I will recommend you to learn Python, especially Django, Java and JavaScript. If you want to become a mobile app developer, then learn Swift for iOS development and Kotlin for Android. If you want to get into machine learning, artificial intelligence or data science, then you should learn Python or C++. If you want to get into desktop app development, you should learn C++. If you want to become a video game developer, then you should learn C++ or Java. If you want to get into systems programming, where you will be developing or modifying an operating system, then learning Rust should be your top choices of program. I hope this list was useful. Now, number 2, join multinational companies who got branches all over the world like TCS, Infosys, HCL, Cognizant, Wipro, L&T, JP Morgan, and the list goes on and on. Number 3, do your own research. Make sure you search for the company from the government.co.uk site. All the links will be provided in the description. If the company is genuine, they will be listed here and they should not ask you to pay for any money for visa or any application fees. Now, the number 4, the type of visa. Make sure you ask the question to your employer, which type of visa will be issued. If you're issued a Tier 2 General, this is the best visa category as you will be granted to live indefinitely in UK. After 5 years, you can apply for a British passport. If you want to read about the type of visa provided in the UK, I will link it in the descriptions. So that brings me to the end of the video, and I'm sure you have learned what skills are needed to work in UK. If your professional background is different to what I have covered today, drop me the name of your stream and I'll try to cover topics from your area in the future videos. If you found the video useful, give it a like and share it with others if you think it's going to help them. Thanks for watching the video till the end, and I'll see you soon with my next video. Keep learning.